installed and ready to go. It's better to prep them with some assembly lube, but you can use oil if that's all you have. You don't need much, just make sure that it's spread evenly. Now grab your camshaft and do a final cleaning of all the journals and the lobes.
Moly lube, or Cleveite assembly lubricant, should be spread all over the distributor drive gear and all of the lobes of a new camshaft. This is a messy job though, so we start with the gear and the first 4 lobes at the rear of the cam.
Spread some oil or assembly lube on the 2 rear journals and insert the cam in the block until we can leave it hanging on those 2 journals. This will leave the next 4 lobes of the cam easily accessible. Continue making sure each lobe is fully coated, a bit on the next journal, and carefully pass it in. This would be a really messy procedure if you had lube on all of the lobes of the cam. Wearing gloves is going to make cleaning up a lot easier too. When it comes to the last set of lobes, you can grab the front of the cam with one hand and reach inside the block like we did before and feed the cam carefully in for the last few inches. We left the cam plug out of our block just to ease these last few final inches. If you decided to install the cam plug already, or if you just prefer this method, put the upper gear on the cam and slide it in with both hands from the front of the block. Now your cam should be in for good, fully lubricated, and spinning smoothly. Before our